In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically subtitle and translate Google Slides and PowerPoint presentations. Whether you're preparing for an international presentation or just want to make your slides more accessible, these easy steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Subtitles and translations can make a huge difference, helping your audience follow along and making your presentation more inclusive. Let's get started. First, open Google Slides. If you're not already there, navigate to the Google Slides homepage where you'll see a variety of templates and your existing presentations. From here, go ahead and sign into your Google account if you haven't done so already. This ensures that all your work is saved and you have access to the necessary features for our task today. Once you're signed in, make your way to the Google Slides home. You can either start a new blank presentation, giving you a clean slate to work with, or choose a template that suits your needs. With your slide deck ready, the next stop is the handy extensions menu located at the top of the screen. Click on extensions, then navigate over to add-ons. This is where the magic happens. Add-ons are like little apps you can add to extend the functionality of Google Slides, giving you the tools you need to subtitle and translate your presentation effortlessly. Click on Get Add-ons to open the add-on marketplace. In the search bar, type in Slide Translator. This tool will be our workhorse for automatic subtitles and translations. Once the search results come up, click on Slide Translator to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to add it to your Google Slides, which may require giving some permissions. Click Allow to continue. Just like that, you're ready to start translating and subtitling. With Slide Translator added, you can easily convert the text on your slides to another language or add subtitles so everyone can follow along. Explore the features. Most of them are intuitive and user-friendly. You can choose your target language, adjust subtitle formatting, and even apply translations to multiple slides at once. Automating subtitles and translations not only enhances clarity, but also broadens your audience. It makes your slides more accessible, inclusive, and ultimately more professional. With Google Slides paired with the right add-ons, this task no longer feels daunting and can save you a ton of time. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to subtitle and translate your presentations, ensuring you reach everyone in your audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy presenting,